Welcome viewers, you're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Now, a lot of friendship viewers seems to be brewing between the United States and Pakistan, and let me tell you why. Now, US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth on Saturday highlighted viewers what he described as improving ties between Washington and Islamabad. And he praised Pakistan's civilian and military leadership, and he called the evolving relationship between the US and Pakistan an important development for regional peace. So this is quite interesting, viewers. And speaking now at the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore, Hegseth said that US President Donald Trump had developed, let me quote that for you, the exact words, true friendship with Pakistan's leadership, and credited Islamabad with playing a constructive role in efforts aimed at maintaining stability in South Asia. Now, let me just quote what Hegseth said. He said that I very easily could have mentioned Pakistan and the role that the Field Marshal and the Prime Minister are playing in peace negotiations, is what Pete Hegseth said, referring to Pakistan Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Now, calling the warming ties between Washington and Islamabad an unexpected development, Hegseth said the relationship was becoming increasingly important. He also pointed to what he described as President Trump's role in helping broker peace between India and Pakistan, two nuclear-armed neighbors. Now, of course, viewers, the credit of Operation Sindoor, we all know, should only go to our government and more so our defense forces who did such a big operation against Pakistan, of course, after the Pahalgam terror attack. But of course, Donald Trump is the first to take credit for that. And now, of course, Pete Hegseth has also said that he was the one who brokered peace between India and Pakistan. Now, how true that statement is, we all know. But let's just talk about the fact that he's also said that India and Pakistan are not a missile threat for the US. So that's another important part that he's highlighted. Now this, Pete Hegseth's comment came during a discussion on regional security, where he was also asked about the missile capabilities of India and Pakistan, and responding to the question, he said that the two countries are not a threat at all to us. Now, let me quote exactly what he said to give you a better picture of it. He said that we're not pointing a finger at either country and calling them a threat to us, he said, adding that both India and Pakistan face legitimate security concerns from each other and are likely to continue developing strategic deterrence capabilities. So this is something that he said. Now, at the same event, let me tell you that Hegseth also reaffirmed Washington's strategic partnership with India, describing the country as a critical anchor in South Asia. So he's not just praised Pakistan, he's also praised India's military modernization efforts, and he confirmed that the two countries were moving ahead with plans for co-production of Javelin anti-tank guided munitions while expanding cooperation in the Indian Ocean region. So, of course, the US plays very safe when it comes to its position with India and especially Pakistan. Now, attributing credit to Donald Trump for brokering peace between India and Pakistan, to having this kind of a friendship and an equation with Pakistan that the US has, is something to be noted here. But leave your comments below and let us know what you feel about this. And for more news and updates, stay tuned to NewsX. Thank you for watching.